The song Another in the Fire by Hillsong United from their album People. It's kind of an interesting song to take on. You know, there's not any real key guitar parts at all. Acoustic is just kind of strumming throughout. The electric guitar really doesn't have any standout hooks either. There's just a couple little spots, but everything else is just texture. There's like one guitar that's finger picking, one guitar that's strumming, one guitar that's doing a riff. And it's all kind of built in the same, it all kind of lives in the same zone so that it creates like that wall of sound, which makes it really different to arrange. So what I decided to do, I really felt like the acoustic guitar handled most of the rhythm that's hanging on that lower end, so that we needed to spend more time higher up on the neck. So I kind of just built off of the same riff throughout. It's very live, so I kind of standardized it a little bit to try and give you like a clear, like, play this, rather than kind of, it's not noodly, but it's just kind of a lot of little just emphasis. So you can kind of change it as you go, kind of get the feel for it. The key with this one is that in the lead section, there's a lead tag, and that tag basically is what the other electric guitar is doing. And if you have multiple electric guitars, one can play kind of that higher range, the other one can play kind of the finger picking in the lower range, and just follow the chords, and that'll fit really nicely. But otherwise, if you can just play it the way I play it in the music video, and if you're a single guitarist, it'll give you everything you need. Song is not capoed or anything, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, let's get started. Our intro gives us the basis for this whole song, because we're all basically kind of working off this same riff idea throughout. It's going to sound like this. 2 and 3 and 4 and... Real simple. I'm going to turn off the effects here to kind of help us get through it. And essentially what we're doing is we are barring on our 5th fret of our G, and we're doing our almost the same rhythm throughout. We start on our 5th fret of our B with our first note. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. So we're just walking up the 5th, 6th, and 8th of the B. Once again, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. So we still do that little pickup on the 5th fret. You see on the tabs we go up to the 8th fret of the E and 4 and then we repeat 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and then for the intro, we just finish barring that G and the B on the 5th fret. Real simple part. Go ahead and try it along with the loop, and then you'll see kind of how everything else builds from this in the next section. 2 and 3 and 4 and...